Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, and I am bringing you a video today on this CAT dump truck that we just finished. We just actually did some cool stuff to this. We did our GT700 4-channel dash camera, as well as 2 additional cameras to take care of some blind spots that the driver has up front. And then we also integrated his existing backup camera with everything. So I just want to come around to the back to show you where we mounted the cameras. So right there is the backup camera. Right up there is the GT700 rear camera, so you can get an idea of where that's mounted. It gets a really good view of the back of the truck, even though it's right up to the side. For those of you who own dump trucks, you know that this big paneling here, this actually opens when it dumps. It does not hit the camera, which is pretty cool. Obviously, it's really cool. So I'm just gonna bring you over to the right-hand side here. Right-hand side blind spot camera. We have the GT700 right-hand side camera right up top there. If I walk around over to the front, you have left-hand side blind spot camera, and you have left-hand side view camera on the GT700. So I'm just gonna hop in, and I'm gonna show you how this all works. So you're gonna see screens on screens on screens. So let's start with the GT700. So if I touch the GT700, you're gonna see this is the touch screen for that. This is the front body camera facing out front. This is 1080p for those of you who are wondering. Side view cameras are 720p, and the rear camera is 640 by 480. If I click this live button here, you're gonna see you have the superimposed 4 images from all 4 cameras. If I go back here and I hit that arrow, I go TV out, yes. I go up here, and there's the superimposed images on the larger screen. Now, this truck is gonna be coming back. This screen is gonna get expanded out to be a 9 or a 10-inch screen, but for now, we have it basically up here. And why we have it up here, the owner of this truck wanted to have an always-on backup camera signal. So, as you can see, there it is. As he's driving down the road, that camera is going to be playing on this screen at all times. That way he can see exactly what's behind him. And then this screen is for the left and the right blind spot cameras facing forward. So you're gonna see there's the dumpster that you see on this video, and you're gonna basically see the driver of the vehicle. There he is right there. He's walking around, and boom, he can see, or we can see here, even in this video, him right in the camera image. Whereas if I point here, you wouldn't even know he was in that area. This area is completely blind for these large trucks. That's why we've installed these cameras. This really and truly could be a lifesaver. If you have this view, you can totally illuminate what is down on the front wheel well area. So essentially, we've really increased the safety of this truck. What we're also going to do is we're also going to put a camera right on the front of the vehicle so that you can see, or the driver can see, exactly what's off the front end of the truck. I gotta tell you guys, this camera, this GT700 camera, is the world's best and the world's only true 4-channel dash camera. What's also really cool about this camera, just in case people were wondering, this camera has 1.5 terabytes of storage in an SSD drive that we've mounted up top here, and then it's got a 64 gig SD card on the side right here. This camera literally has over a month's worth of video storage. So if you're running a fleet operation where your truck is driving every single day, you have over a month's worth of video recordings with this camera. So not only does this camera offer great capabilities as a multi-channel dash camera, it stores a ton of video information, but we can link it into these safety systems. So you get the best of both worlds. You get to cover your liability with a recorder, and you get to be much, much safer. And you get to do all of that in a combined package that is really not that expensive when you factor in just how much money and how many human lives this type of tech could save. So if you or someone you know is interested in increasing the safety of your truck, if you want to add blind spot cameras, if you want to add backup cameras, if you want to add dash cameras, Lockdown Security is your source for this technology. We know these trucks, we've done them, we've got a team of installers, we can do these trucks, we can do pretty much any safety technology that you're looking for, we can do in your fleet vehicle. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. We are based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Canada, but we ship worldwide. So if you have trucks anywhere in the world, we can equip you and get you set up with this technology. 1-866-824-4118, that's our toll-free number. Lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. sales@lockdownsecurity.ca is our email. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We would love to assist. And like I said, we can do this on any truck. Thank you very much.